Hello everyone. Now today's topic gender, school and society. Here we in this session and discussed about the gender only and some introduction point, some conceptual points and the other some adjective we have. Now let's start our class today. First is concept. The gender refers to the roles and responsibilities of men and women that are created in our families, our societies, and our culture. Yes, we all know very well know about the what is are the responsibility roles and responsibilities the bearing are to us to them. Okay, and now the secondly the concept of gender also includes the expectations had the characteristics attitude aptitudes and like behavior of both men and women. And so the concept of gender is vital because they apply to social analysis. It reveals how women's subordination or men domination is society constructed. As such, the subordination can be changed and not be ended. Gender roles and expectations are learned. They can change over time and they vary within between cultures. Systems of social differentiation such as political status, class, ethnicity, physical and mental disability, age and more modify gender roles. So it is not a biologically predetermined, they near it is a fixed forever. Now next, here here we discuss about the terminology of gender. There is a some 8 terminologies. First is gender roles, certain gender equality. Now next, gender equity. Now next, gender awareness. Next, gender analysis, gender sensitivity, gender mainstream, and last is gender parity. In brief of them, now the first is gender roles. In a particular way, in the gender roles in a particular way, economic and political and the social roles of responsibility that are the considered appropriate for men and women in a culture. Gender equality in the absence of discrimination on the basis of a person in the section authority, opportunity, the allocation of the resources or benefits and access to services. Now gender equity, the process of being fair to women sometimes in this involves the measure to redress historical disadvantages that have prevented the men and women. So equality not at the equity leads to equality. Now next, general awareness in gender, the gender awareness understanding that there are the socially determined and the differences between the men and women, and that these influences access to and control of resources. In gender sensitivity, the ability to perceive the existing gender differences and issues and to incorporate this into strategies and actions, contrast with gender blindness. In gender analysis, uh, identify inequality that arise from the different roles of men and women and analyze the consequences of these inequalities for their lives and health and well-being. Next is the gender mainstreaming. In mainstreaming, the process is used to ensure that the women's and men's the concern, the experiences are the integral to the design, the implementation, the monitoring, and the evaluation of for all legislation, the policy and program. In gender parity, a numerical concept, the concept with the relative equality in the terms of numbers and proportion of men and women, girls and boys. So in education, in this it means that the some number of boys and girls are the receive the some education services at a different level in the diverse forms. So there is a gender terminology. There are the main 8 gender terminologies. Now next, introduction. Gender is a social construct that impacts attitude, roles, responsibilities, and behavior patterns of boys and girls, men and women. In all society, increasing attention has been given to the importance of achieving gender equality in education. To date, however, the most efforts have some focused on addressing gender parity and equal number of proportion of number of boys and girls accessing educational opportunities. So in this way, although simple gender parity may be easier to be measured, the gender equality encompasses a wider concept of which gender parity is the only a part. The gender equality the moves of beyond the access and requires that the girls and boys also have some experience the some levels of quality and outcomes of education. Now next, objectives. That's we are also going on this unit. Also we will be able I think able to understood that this the topic of the objectives. First is here we will be discuss about the concept of gender and sex, and they recognize the gender between the gender and what is the difference between the gender and sex, and what is the gender dynamics and the constructions, social construction of gender, different types of gender roles, and gender relationship matrix, and what do you mean by the gender evaluation, the evaluation of the work base of the gender, because this gender is the socio-economic, socio-culture constructed, socio-culture construct. It refers to all only the masculine and the feminine qualities of the behavior of roles and responsibility that the society uploads. So gender is a variable, it not a changes to time, it's the change to time, the culture to culture, and the eventually the family to family. So gender can be changed only reoriented. So and describes also we will be discuss about the gender roles and development. So now thank you, and you should to note the topic of today. Take care, bye bye.